my way. One on my own with holding my lover. Y'all seen it before, but watch this move. Oh, she put her arm around me this time. I knew she needed a little tenderoni time. Folks, she got a new pair of stretchable pants. They're like maroon. Would you say these are maroon? Today you're the lady in brown/maroon. Looking good though, baby. You know I like a thick woman, baby. I love chubby.
I'm not chubby.
You're not chubby? Oh, you need to eat more because I love my women thick. I like them thick, like I like my pork steaks, like my rump roast, like my chicken breast. Folks, we're rolling out. Footage might be a little shaky. I'm shooting on this RH100. I had to drop the quality down to 1080. Get the stabilization where it'll at least do a little bit.
I look like haggard in this.
No, baby, you look beautiful. Well, hold on. You put your hair up? Yeah, you look haggard.
No,
I gotta be honest with you. Listen.
I'm not putting my hair up.
Well, your hair's back. When your hair is back and it's up, you look like your mother. When it's down, you look like a beautiful, sexy young lady. Oh, Lord, time to call my girlfriend. Hold on, baby. Hold on, baby, I'm with my wife.
Alarm ready, yeah, like
Oh, baby, she wants to talk to you.
that.
It's the bulldog. Baby, do you want to go out to eat with a bulldog? Maybe you two can settle your differences and she can come stay with us again. Ow, baby! Such violence over here in the tricycle. There's no fighting and violence allowed in the tricycle, baby. This is a sanctuary of peace and tranquility and love. Forrest G, look for the beautiful ladies, Forrest G. Oh, he's already looking. He's already eyes right, looking up here at the candy bar. And the night moves. No ladies this morning, Forrest G. Too early, buddy. So, folks, you may be wondering why we ride in the tricycle when we got the new Tesla chopper. Well, their destination today is pretty far, down near SM Telebastigan. And it's not that the Tesla chopper won't reach that distance. It will. It'll go down there and back, distance-wise. But the problem is, you know, the road going down there, the traffic is fast. The one area where you go through the trees, you know, it's real fast traffic. It's a nice road, not conducive to the Tesla chopper. Because, you know, I don't get that thing much over 8, 9, 10 kilometers per hour with the babies on board. And so it's just not conducive to go that route because of the roads. You know, it's a good back road, secondary road type vehicle, as if you were walking. And that's what I tell her. You know, you take that thing the same place as you would walk. And if it's not conducive for walking... Oh, did y'all see that? One little tenderoni time from the king. Baby, if you put your hair down, you'll get more hugs and kisses from me than you already do. But when you got your hair up like that, you just remind me of your mother. It's like I'm gonna kiss on Angelina Jolie. That's what I call her mom. I call her mother Angelina Jolie. Oh, puffing out that smoke. Racer on the inside and the outside. My goodness, it's taken down by deuces. One on the left, one on the right. For the love of humanity, what's the world coming to? Of course, he loves riding in the tricycle. He loves riding in the Trike. But he also loves riding in that Tesla chopper. Alright, so it looks like our buddy's got to pull in here, fuel up on petrol for the long jaunt down to SM Telebastigan. We'll see how much he puts on board here. Usually 100. You know, folks, I'm a redneck, so I understand the mentality. When I was a redneck, you never filled up your tank. You always, back in the day, put $5 in, $7 in, you know, $10 on a good day. But, you know, that's how we rednecks do. And a lot of Filipino folks, I relate to them because, you know, rednecks folks and people who grow up poor, we're the same the world over. We do the same things. Even though this is his trike, he'll probably never fill that tank up. Nobody drives this trike but him, but he'll never fill that tank up the same way as, I mean, shit, I was probably mid-20s before I ever pulled into a gas station and filled that thing up, or had the means to. So some things the world over, they don't change, you know. We're all the same, just different geography, a little bit different culture, but our ways are the same. But maybe you a song, and you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise. You ready for some music, baby? Let's listen to some Nelly. We gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do, we gotta get out of this place. 'Cause girl, there's a better life for me and you. Me, of course, you've been scoping out the ladies. He saw a group of ladies. I said, good job, son. He called them out and started smiling and laughing. I said, buddy, I'm going to teach you how to meet the ladies, okay? So what I want you to work on is this phrase, son. When you see a pretty lady, this is what you do. You go over there and you say, shawty, what your name is? That's all you got to do. Ow, baby, the violence. Let's try it again, buddy. I'm going to practice on your mama. First time I saw your mama, I said, shawty, what your name is? Baby, I'm romantic. I know how to get them numbers. I'm an expert. I got 2 pickup lines. Well, my main pickup line is, hey, how you doing? My name's Mark. But if I ain't got no time and I see you from a distance and I gotta holler at you from a distance, shawty, what your name is? Come on, baby. You know you couldn't resist my romantic charm. Folks, you see it's effective. You see how her mood changed? She got all flustered. When I said, shawty, what your name is? Yeah, baby. Buddy, all you do is sing them this song. Sing them a song called Shorty Swing My Way, because you sure look good to me. I said, shorty swing my way, you sure look good to me.
I'm so hungry.
Well, put your hair down and you won't look like your mother. Right now you look like your mother, Angelina Jolie.
Boy.
She's got a shirt on that says, don't ask. Share some with mama. Just drank half of my Black Mamba. What's up with that? I told you could have a sip. You just drank this whole thing down. Folks, this poor Jeepney has tried to make this turn about 18 times. They had to move the sign. He backed into something. Poor old gentleman. He's either just having problems with his gears, or I think that's what it is. And there ain't no power steering. Poor old guy. sitting there fighting that power steering, but I don't know what's going on. It's taking a team of people. They moved the sign. It's pure entertainment for me, but we've been sitting here for about 5 minutes. Everybody's backed up. I think something's wrong with his steering box. He can't cut that wheel sharp enough. That's the problem. Something's broken in his steering box. No, he can cut it. He can cut the thing to the right. Oh, pretty lady started moving. Yeah, he got something going on with a Jeepney. I don't know what it is. See if we can get this thing rolling here. All right, so you got the guard over there helping him. There you go. Hey, come on, hey! Just didn't have enough strength to cut the wheel hard enough. Looks a man probably mid-60s. No telling how old he is. Out there driving that damn Jeepney in this heat every day. Manual transmission. No power brakes, no power steering. Got the police on staff here. Go ahead, baby. You're looking beautiful over there doing that laundry. Come on, baby. The viewers just want to see everyday life in the Philippines. Show them your skills, baby. I'll bring you some tacos back. You don't want to eat no tacos? You want some balut?
Yeah.
Okay, well demonstrate your washing operation here, baby.
I don't need balut.
Come on, baby, waste some water. Get down there and go to work. Alright, folks, we're over here handling some business at 583 Travel. Here's the import shops where we like to do a little shopping. Imported from Bangladesh over there. And if you're not familiar with 583 Travel, right here. Doing little bumper cars here. It's like a stalemate. This car going here, and we gotta move the trike out of the way. So these cars in the middle of the road can go by one another. So we just move this out of the way here. And now traffic can go by. In psychology, there's this thing called classical conditioning, right? Talk some Sigmund Freud stuff right here for a minute. The president of this country signed an order effective immediately. You don't have to wear this Fauci shit on your face anymore outdoors. Yet so many people are still doing it. Why? If it's for health reasons, that's up to them. They can do what they want. I'm not telling people how to live their life, but I don't think so. It's just because everybody's still so conditioned after 2.5 years of this madness, still doing it. Rome wasn't built in a day. But you know what? I'm proud of Fatima. I'm so proud of you today, baby. You actually did not wear your mask when we were in the Trike. But it took me telling her that, hey, the president signed an order. You don't have to do it anymore. Poor girl's so scared of the popo this whole time. They're so scared. And that's an issue here in this culture. People are, in my opinion, too quick and too easy to conform and will never buck the system. Versus Thailand, hell, they pull a coup every 10 years. They'll protest and shut down Bangkok if you know, at a moment's notice and have a music concert, have a festival in the middle of an intersection. Differences in culture, folks, differences in culture. thought I'd bring that up. Yeah, so if you're looking for some good deals on some clothes right here at this Bangladesh store, we get the kids stuff there. Old lady likes shopping there. Matter of fact, that blue collar shirt I got from over there. I went in to get one more, and the day they were out, the next day they sold out all them collared golf shirts.